All right, yesterday I was checking out the new Laravel 8 documentation and found that they have decided to use a new package for scaffolding the front end views and routes for authentication, if you would like. And it's called Jetstream. So yesterday I checked it out and I wasn't quite sure about it because they've went to Livewire in Inertia. So I was like, I'm not sure about this. It's a great option. But I decided to go ahead and give it a try. And I was really, really happy with the results. So today I just wanted to go ahead and actually create one of these applications and kind of give you guys an overview of it. I'm going to go ahead and create a new application so we can kind of see how it works. So right here, I use a program called Laravel. So I'm just going to let Laravel build the app for me. Quick app, Laravel 8 Jetstream. So it created a database for us. And Laravel's really awesome. It'll just kind of set everything up for us, even env file, all that. We'll have to edit that just a bit for the database. But I really like Laravel. For Windows environment, I'm just a little too broke to buy a Mac, at least an updated new one. And so I use Windows, and I'm pretty happy with Laravel. Okay, so everything installed correctly, I think. So I'm going to go ahead and open the project in PHP Storm, which is my favorite text editor for PHP Laravel. And we go ahead and edit the env file. Laravel 8 Jetstream is the automated. With Laravel, it creates a database with the same name of the package. I'm going to run, not quite, I'm going to run Npm Install because what I want to do is go ahead and install Jetstream. So you do composer require Laravel Jetstream. Which is a composer package Laravel created just for this Jetstream files and stuff. Go ahead and run npm install just because maybe that'll make it faster when we do it later. All right, now that everything was installed through Composer, we also need to install either Livewire frontend or the Inertia. And I decided to go with Livewire, and because I kind of like Blade, and it would be nice to just keep it simple. So we're gonna paste this in, but we're also going to put a flag of Teams, because what this does is it adds Teams functionality. So that's pretty cool. We'll go ahead and run that. And so you can tell it created a migration file in the migrations, looks like. So now everything was installed for the Livewire. So we're gonna go ahead and run npm install. So it's going to install the node modules that are necessary for the Livewire JavaScript framework. So we're going to go ahead and wait for that to install. Another thing we can do is open up a new terminal and do PHP artisan migrate. This will migrate the migrations in the database we set up. And so we're not going to have any errors once we visit the website. So we can go ahead and actually visit the website now, I think. So it's Laravel 8 Jetstream test. Our Laravel application is up and running on our local machine, and it's looking pretty cool. We've got a new updated main screen for Laravel 8. And if we go to the login page, there's a login form, and there's also a registration form already built for us. So let's go ahead and create a user account and register. Bam! And we're in. So we've got this new beautiful dashboard created for us by this Jetstream. So that's what comes out of the box, is this dashboard. And I wanted to go over some of the cool things that are included with this. But first, we need to go ahead and finish our installation. I think our npm install finished, so we're going to go ahead and go npm run dev, and this is going to actually so we actually need to run npm run dev because this is compiling our JavaScript assets, and also CSS Tailwind stuff. So if we click here, you can see there's profile. You can manage API tokens, team set. You can have a team. So these are all things that come with Jetstream, which is this new package that Laravel 8 comes with. It doesn't come with it, but you have to install it on top. And I did. I loved it. Turned out it was awesome. So let's check out the profile page and see what that's like. So you can see this is out of the box. I did nothing but enter a few commands in the command line and wait for them to download. But you can see that you can update your name, email address. You can select profile pictures. And if you don't have the profile picture, then it creates this awesome little image with your with initials. That's pretty cool. And then you can update your password. So you can, that's awesome. That's all stuff with the old Laravel 7 and before. You would have to, this is all views that you would have to create from scratch. This is cool that they have two-factor authentication already built in. So you can enable two-factor authentication. So what it does is if you enable that, you can download an app on your phone and scan this token. So really cool, really cool. So just a lot more secure. This is hard to integrate right here. I mean, not that hard because there's packages to do that, but it would take time. And personally, I've never integrated that because I really never needed it, but that's awesome. Just comes out of the box. The other thing is browser sessions. You can log out of other browsers. You log in on a computer in a hotel room and you forget. It's nice to be able to log out of your Facebook or whatever. So that's awesome. You can log out. You can even delete your account. That's all included. The other thing is this API tokens section is really cool. You can create a token. Doesn't really matter what you name it, but let's say you want to create a token. You want to have an application where your users can connect Zapier to another application, or you want to have an open API so that other developers can build on your platform. Well, with this, you can make it like it's so easy to create customizable API tokens. So just the users can decide how much power they want to give to the other app, whether it's deleting things or just reading, or creating things, updating, and they can do that. And then if you go to team settings, it automatically creates a team for you when you sign up. So you don't have to go through the team creation process. It just creates a team in your name, which you can change later. So I can change the name of my team to Soltech LLC, save it, and bam, the team is changed. and I can give access to other users that are already registered on the site. So if I have an application where I only want to share confidential information with people that are in my team, well, that's comes out of the box. So you can invite users, you make them administrators or editors. Wow, that's cool. That's a lot of work that you would have to integrate with Laravel 7 and before. But with Laravel 8, it comes out of the box. You can also create a new team. So you can have multiple teams with this team flag. So cool. This is awesome to have multiple teams. Like, for instance, if a user is a part of a team with one organization, they can also be a part of another team with another organization. Out of the box. That's so cool. Switching team is easy. So I'm going to make another one called My Journey. Create a new team. And that's created. It automatically redirects to the dashboard after I create a new team. And then I can switch teams very easily. Just a toggle switch. It's just a bam. Okay, I want to go to Soltech LLC, and I'm seeing content from Soltech LLC. And I can go over to My Journey, and I see content from My Journey. So really impressed. This is a big improvement. I'm still not completely sure about Livewire and Inertia. I think they're both really cool frameworks, but I was really just getting into Vue, and having to learn a whole nother thing for this is going to be interesting. But I do love the functionality that comes out of the box with this Laravel 8 Jetstream package, and I will definitely be using this. And thank you so much, Laravel team, for doing this, and wish you the best of luck.